My name is Kevin Jack, and today we're going to talk about backflip and reverse. So these are the first two flips that you're going to want to learn. Most people prefer to do toe side backflip first. So for a right foot forward skier, that's starting on the driver's side, left foot forward skier on the passenger side. What you're going to want to do is set your edge really strong on your front foot and carry that edge all the way through the wake, driving the ski away from the boat and having your hips come up towards the handle at the top of the wake. And then you're going to hold that edge and try to get a powerful edge change right at the top of the wake to get that flip started. For heel side flip, a lot of the same strategies. You're going to want to be on your front foot, and when you come in for the wake, you're going to hold that edge as strongly as you can and still now you're going to bring your left hip up for your right foot forward skier and make sure that as you're coming up to the wake that you're getting full extension so you get good pop over the wake over your front foot. So when you're in the air, it's really important that you're keeping your handle close to the center of your body. Don't let the handle up, don't let the handle out, and try to keep two hands on the handle. When you see an elite skier letting go with one hand, that's so that they can go faster. When you're learning these flips, really try to keep two hands on the handle the entire time. And when you land, make sure that you're strong in your core, keeping your chest up and absorbing that landing just with your knees. The biggest common mistake on backflip and reverse is when skiers are coming up the wake, they tend to try to make it like a trampoline backflip and throw their head straight back like they would on a trampoline. As soon as your head comes straight back like it does on a trampoline, you're shifting all of your weight to your back foot and your shoulders are coming back. That impedes your ability to get a lot of height off of the wake. So what you want to do is, instead of throwing your shoulders back off of the wake, you actually want to keep your shoulders forward and roll your right ear for a right foot forward skier towards the wake on toe side flip. On heel side flip, roll your left ear or your ear closest to the boat. Roll that ear and that inside shoulder towards the boat. The biggest thing you want to avoid is throwing your shoulders back off of the top of the wake like it's a trampoline backflip. It really is more like a barrel roll.